Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Redmi 10 and I will show you how fingerprint sensor works in the smartphone. Of course, you can find this sensor right here on the right edge is synchronized with the power button. Take a look. So right now I'm going to make a few unlocks and let's see how it performs. Okay, so as you can see, this sensor is really fast. Like for that price range, it works really good. It's very quick and it also recognizes my fingerprint all the time. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.